So if Instagram Live here is not showing, well, there are a few things that you can try doing here to possibly solve this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that Instagram is fully updated. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go to the search bar. Go and click on search. At the top section here, just type in Instagram. And if you do see any update button next to Instagram here, or if you visit their page and you do see an update button, go ahead and make sure to click on that update button and wait for a while. Now, sometimes the app itself may not be updated, so that's why some features may not be available to you. So make sure it's fully updated. Now, also, you may want to clear the cache for your Instagram app. So to do that, you want to press and hold on Instagram. Click on the eye icon. And from here, you want to go and just choose the option here for clear data. Now, by the way, click on force stop first, click on OK. Click on clear data at the bottom right, click on clear cache, and OK. And once you've done that, you want to go and open up Instagram again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the problem itself may be because there are some glitches on the app. So to solve that, you want to report this problem. So you want to go and click on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Click on the 3-bar icon at the top right. And you want to go to the very bottom here until you see a section here that says help. Now under help, you want to go and click on report a problem. Click on the section, or you want to go and go back and make sure that this one is enabled, the shake phone to report a problem. But once you've exited this, you want to go and just go to the page where you are having some problem with it and just basically start shaking your phone. Now this should basically boot up the report a technical problem. Now you want to go and click on report a problem. And just basically click on include and continue and explain that you are having problems with Instagram Live and it's not showing. But yeah, go and click on send button at the top right once you're done, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.